Three things you need to know or look out for if you're trying out for digital marketing from someone who has not landed in SEO yet. One, EPC and SEO, which they in the same. Yeah, this wasted a little bit too much of your time, and you should know that because well, I didn't. And they can be two very similar, like how do I say this? Often similarly niche things together, connected to Google Ads or Google Ads certification, Google Analytics certification, or campaign. And depending, these two things can be two very different topics. And depending, these two topics can really be different. PPC stands for pay-per-click and SEO for search engine optimization. And you can do your further research on that. In fact, the definition is self-explanatory. Though I have to say, since these two things align so well, a lot of the jobs looking for SEO might want PPC experts or professionals too, and vice versa. It's always will be an addition since it's still digital marketing and their bases can definitely clash. Also, one course I used for PPC on YouTube would be Dell and Taylor's Google Ads course. Best of luck! Number 2. What certifications you might need. You see, I was supposed to ask this on Reddit as well, but then I forgot, so let it be. We proceed. If you want a job, obviously, I'd say a Google Ads and Google Analytics, two separate. Certificates are highly preferred. There's also a 2-hour free course on SEO on YouTube by the company or brand Ahrefs, though they give examples stemming from their company name. Everything in it is of value. And along with Google Analytics, I think you'd have to know to use other SEO tools, especially SEMrush and Ahrefs, because a lot of companies look for people who know how to use these SEO tools. So, and if you're skeptical about something, you can always go on Google, type jobs in your state, and skim through the requirements, qualifications of what they need. It's as simple as that. On a plus note, I had also asked this to my cousin who had a lot of a business industry experience, and she was like that she has always been an all-rounder for quite a good chunk of years, and she said that I haven't been on any course. It's purely been the curiosity to keep updating and learning. My major resources, YouTube and Google, and analyzing the environment around. And when I asked her on what certifications was she hired, and I gave her a couple, and I name dropped a couple of names, and she was like, she personally was not hired from none of this. It was basically her skill set and passion to drive the business, and she's one of the directors of it now. And she had an experience in, okay, this is also the main part, but this is definitely not the only part. So, of course not. As she had an experience in finance and marketing, it helped. Then I was like, did they care from where you acquired the digital marketing skills, or they care that you knew everything regardless? She was like, the second one. I personally think creating a website of your own, helping the businesses from trying to help the businesses around you will definitely help. And I had seen also someone, an SEO related person on YouTube, as an YouTuber, sharing it online. But you know what? Do what you think suits you the best. Do what you feel is the best for you among obviously the ton of options right out there. Third point, if you're being doubtful and skeptical and a confused as snowflake, do it. If you really think that it is something that will be useful for you, or it is something you really want to and you think you just enjoy it. If you have a rough sketch for your future goals and you ask the God, or let's say the universe for example, to help you push yourself in the right direction, and this not only directly can assist you in your goals but give you a comfortable stepping stone towards a starting point to your out of comfort zone, don't know what to do, big ambitions, then honey, yes, let me tell you to do the thinking for yourself. Point B, a second to it, you could definitely get a job more easily. A job you might not enjoy that much, but mostly you go with it to stay in your comfort zone after everything we have gone through just to get to a better place right now. No thank you from me. I have known one path and I'm walking it right now. To leave it and unlearn it because of an easier course of path to hover and spiral down into comfort. Well, most things have not come this easy to me anyway. We have to keep fighting and be happy. Like, as if I have not learned that yet. We can do better. Hey, love. Yeah. Here standing on 2 separate stairs because the floor gives me redness and my slippers are wet. Anyways, that's why you have no fans and you might be hearing the sketching of your vehicles outside. Yeah, hear that? Ooh, point.